Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make green tea powder at home. First, select fresh, high-quality green tea leaves. The better the leaves, the better your powder will taste. Next, ensure your leaves are completely dry. Any moisture can affect the final product and its shelf life. Finally, gather your tools, including a baking sheet and a good grinder, which are crucial for this simple process. Once you have your dry leaves, spread them out in a single layer on a baking sheet. This ensures even drying and toasting. Place the sheet in an oven preheated to a very low temperature, around 250 degrees Fahrenheit, for approximately 10 minutes. This gentle baking step is vital. It helps to further dry the leaves and brings out their rich, earthy flavor, preparing them perfectly for grinding. After baking, let your tea leaves cool down completely. This is important for achieving a fine powder and protecting your grinder. Transfer the cooled leaves to a coffee grinder or a dedicated spice grinder. Grind the leaves in short, controlled bursts rather than continuously. This method prevents the leaves from overheating, which can degrade their delicate flavor and aroma, ensuring a vibrant green tea powder. Once ground, sift your green tea powder through a fine mesh sieve to remove any larger pieces, ensuring a smooth, consistent texture. Store your finished powder in an airtight container, away from light and moisture, to maintain its freshness and potency for several weeks. You can use it in drinks, smoothies, or even baking. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.